Welcome to Mathotropism. In this video we are going to see from the class 9th NCERT book, chapter 10 circles, exercise 10.2, sum 1. The sum is, prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at the centers. So we should know that what is congruent circles, and then we will know about what angles they are subtending at the center. So proceeding, we first need to understand what is given and identify the concept with which we can prove this. If you want to know about the circles basics, you can watch the video given. I have given it in the description box also. Now we have been given two congruent circles. So that means what? It means that both have the same radius. Let us take two circles with centers O and O dash. They are telling that there are two equal chords in both the circles. So let us take the first chord as PQ and the second chord in the second circle as P dash Q dash. Now we have to prove that if we join OP, OQ, O dash, P dash and O dash Q dash, the angle POQ will be equal to angle P dash, O dash and Q dash. We can see that the two chords are equal, and since the radiuses are equal, radii are equal for both the circles, it means OP will be equal to OP dash, OQ will be equal to OQ dash, O dash Q dash, and also OP and OQ are also equal. So from this diagram we can see, if we are considering the triangles OPQ and O dash P dash Q dash, all the sides are corresponding sides of both the triangles are same or equal. So from SSS congruence, side congruence, we can prove that both the triangles are congruent, and from that we can indirectly say that the angles are also equal. So thus we can prove. So how to go about in writing of steps? So we need to form equations and find the values. So for that, given chords PQ and P dash Q dash are equal, so PQ is equal to P dash Q dash. Let us take it as equation 1. And the congruent circles of centers O and O dash are given, so it means that the radius are equal. So OP will be equal to OQ will be equal to O dash P dash will be equal to O dash Q dash. Let us take this as the second equation. We need to prove that the angle subtended at the center, which means angle POQ is equal to angle P dash O dash Q dash. So for that, when we move on to the solution, we are going to consider the two triangles POQ and P dash O dash Q dash. Directly from 1 we get PQ is equal to P dash Q dash, and from 2 we can separately write OP is equal to O dash P dash, and similarly OQ is equal to O dash Q dash. So by SSS congruency, we can prove that the triangle OPQ is congruent to triangle O dash P dash Q dash. Hence, we can prove by CPCT, that means the corresponding parts of congruent triangles, the angles will also be equal. So angle POQ will be equal to angle P dash O dash Q dash. Thus proved. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Next video next Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Thank you.